Ayan. Hi everyone! Hello. I think namatay yung live ko kasi nag-play tayo ng music. Hi, Jesulito. I miss you, darling. Martha, hi! Hello everyone! It's 12:04. Tapos na ang aking birthday. Thank you, Lord. At ako ay buhay. Thank you, Lord. At ako ay nandito pa rin sa inyong harapan. I'm just so grateful for everything that happened to me today, last week, this year. Ang daming mga bagong bagay na ngayon ko lang na-experience. Ngayon ako nagkaroon ng chance to explore and embrace. So, ganda. Sarap talaga sa feeling. Ang sarap sa feeling ng makarating sa age na to ng ganito yung perspective ko sa life. Sobrang daming nagbago. Sobrang daming nangyari sa akin in the last year. I am now in a better place. I am now in a calmer place, which is kind of weird at first. Hi, Miss Audacity. Hello. Joey, thank you. Babshi, hello. Yes, guys, my song, The Brightest Star, is out now on all streaming platforms. Please support me. I love this song so much. Noong una, akala ko itong kanta to is para sa talent showcase ko lang sa Drag Race Philippines Legend Real, and hindi ko alam na it could go this far. Hi, Carl. Hello, Angel. Palabas tayo. Hello. So, diba? May mga bagay talaga sa life na hindi mo ini-expect na malayo ang mararating, maganda yung pupuntahan, hindi mo ini-expect na para sa'yo pala, deserve mo pala. That's why you always have to, open your heart to new possibilities, to new opportunities. Kasi diba, may mga bagay na ang dami natin pinagdaanan na we think so small about ourselves, about our capacity and ability. Pero hindi dapat ganun. Hindi pala dapat ganun. Iboto na sa vibe. Yes, gawa lang ng gawa. It's in the audacity talaga, I think. Diba? My gosh, I love this song so much. At pinaghirapan to ng team ko. Pinaghirapan namin to. Ni Kevin, oh my gosh. My partner really spent so much time and effort for this song to come out. My team, Julia, Gian Gonzalez, the writer of the song. Fire and Ice Entertainment for producing this with me. Ang galing kasi itong song na to, a little bit background, itong song na to, ginawa namin to before the competition starts. Even though hindi ko pa alam kung makakapasok ko or ano mangyari, wala pang clear news na you're in or whatever, or medyo kinakabahan ako, baka ma-ND ako. But like, nung nalaman ko na magkakaroon ng another competition, I was asked if I'm interested to be back for another season. Right then and there, Gumawa na tayo ng kanta. Gusto ko ng kanta. Gusto kong bumawi sa talent show. I wanna do an original song that I can call mine. Diba? Yung song na magkikwento ng buong buhay ko, ng naging experience ko. At ang galing kasi yung pagkakasulat ng kanta, di ba? Nagkaroon siya ng sense na kahit sa umpisa siya ng competition mangyari, it will make sense. And surprisingly, mas nagkaroon siya ng mas malalang sense at mas magandang, mas powerful impact nung ginamit siya dun sa finale. So, ang galing lang kasi talagang the stars are aligned nung time na yun sa akin. Coming into this competition, into that competition na sabi ko, well, whatever happens, winning is my brand. So, I do declare that I am a winner whatever happens. Learning is the new winning. So, sorry na it took me a little bit long bago mailabas tong kantang to. Sabi ko talaga nung una, isa-isa lang. Dahan-dahan lang, di ba? I want na lahat ng mangyari dito sa life na meron ako ngayon is out of good intention, out of, passion. At hindi siya maka-drain, hindi siya maka-ubos ng energy because everything is happening all at the same time. So, yan. Diba? There you have it. There you go. That's the song. I cannot play it right now because parang nabablock pa siya ng Spotify. But let's see. We will see what we can do. But it's available now on all streaming platforms. Brightest Star by Brigading. Ang ganda ko lang din dun sa cover art. Can I just say? I'm wearing Calvin Barrios and shot by Andy, my very good friend. Produced by House of Ding. So, thank you, Santi. Maligayang kaarawan sa mga may birthday po ngayon. Happy birthday sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday sa atin. Thank you. Grabe. Ganito pala yung feeling na may sariling kanta. Growing up, pagkanta talaga yung unang love ko. I thought I will be a singer, like an actual serious singer. Pero nung nag-adolescent ako, nung nag-adolescent ako, medyo nahirapan ako mag-adjust from my female singing voice to biglang bumaba yung boses ko. So, ayun, hindi ko siya nabigyan ng pansin. And who would have thought that drag will bring me back to this long-time love and passion for singing. And can I just say, I performed so well during that talent showcase for this one. We only had 30 minutes to study the choreography. So nag-send kami ng choreography ng video ng talent showcase namin, and we only had 30 minutes to teach sa mga dancers nung talent showcase. But it went well. And I love it. Ang sarap sa feeling, di ba? 30 minutes, imagine mo, finale, 30 minutes lang, kakabaka-baka kasi it's a talent showcase, it's a ball, na 3 looks ang runway. And yung talent showcase will determine kung sino yung talent showcase and yung runway looks yung mag-determine kung sino makakapasok sa top. So, I'm so proud that this song made it that far. And ito rin yung song na nakatulong sa akin to get into that top 2 placement. So, sarap sa feeling. Can I just say, kanina, habang kasi kagabi, di ba, nagkaroon ng, how do you call that? Nagkaroon ng surprise celebration for me dito sa bahay. Kaya ng umaga, medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. But I was like, ang sabi, di ba, enjoy your day. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. Wala, in-enjoy ko lang talaga yung araw ko. Nagpahinga lang ako, nag-chill lang ako. Lumalabas na po siya sa Spotify. Search nyo, Brightest Star Brigading. Please, kapag lumabas na yan, i-post po ninyo, gawan nyo po ng kanta, makipag-vibe kayo sa song. Ilabas nyo yan. I mean, hindi pa lang siya yung unang-unang lalabas when you search something. Ayan, lumalabas na siya, Brightest Star. Silver and Blue. Ako po yung nasa Oh My G. Yes. Cassandra, hello. Condolence to us. Condolence, darling, sister. I miss you. Hello, Wendell. God bless Debbie. O, diba? It's my birthday, pero ako ang may regalo sa inyo. Ayan na, in-upload ko na po. Nirelease na po ang aking single, Brightest Star. Buragaling. Ding. Guys, i-sound trip ninyo yung kanta. Please, i-stream ninyo. GV siya. In fairness, GV siya. Ganda ng song. It's inspiring as well. It's a testament that learning is the new winning. Diba? Everybody deserves second chances. If you work hard. If you dream hard. Thank you, Mikey. May representative po ba sa House of Ding this coming Drag Race PH? That is something na hindi ko pwedeng i-announce or hindi ko pwedeng sagutin. So please, abangan nyo na lang yung Season 4. Lexa Ding, hello. Found it! Step to the left, step to the right. Runway smile, I'm shining so bright. Dripping in diamonds, dripping in grace, bringing you kicks and face to face. Ang ganda rin talaga ng lyrics, as in. Diba? Ang galing. Very meaningful yung lyrics. Para sa bayan. We will win. Yeah. And also, gusto ko lang mag-thank you dahil it's a sold-out show this coming Saturday. May pinag-cover sa akin ngayon, nakala ko daw sa bigiting. Hahaha. So, excited! Excited na ako! Sa Sabado! It's gonna be a fun show. It's gonna be a celebration. Wala na pong ticket. But, yeah. I mean, as much as we want to cater to more people, yun lang talaga. Yun lang ang kaya ng Rampa. But, let's see, di ba? Marami pa namang chances to perform. Mahaba pa ang buhay. Like sabi ko kanina, life is short, so we should be grateful for everything that we have and experience right now. Because the life that we have right now only happens now, in the present. Now, right now lang. Yung kahapon, yung kanina, tapos na yun. It's all in the memory. Diba? It's all in pictures. Hindi siya totoo. Hindi na siya buhay. Tapos na yon, patay na yon. So, life is short and life is long. So, wag tayong magmadali. Okay? Rina, I miss you so much. Na-miss ko na yung mga edit-edit mo na video. Dalaw ka soon. Okay, pumasok ka ha. Magpagaling ka muna kahit may sinat ka. Learning is the new winning. Ow. Gosh. Let's see. Oh my God. Yung mga walang meet and greet tickets, I'll find a way kung paano kayo pwedeng ma-meet or mayakap after the show maybe. Let's see. But kung hindi man, You know that I love you. You know that I care for you. I love my darlings and my fans so much. This birthday show is for you guys. Really. And for me also. Parang 2 years ago, 2 years hindi ako nag-birthday show because I just wanted to, take a break from performing on my birthday. But this time, it's giving back time for everyone who supported me along the way, who loved me and stayed with me since the beginning. May Malaya, hello. Jessa, I hope to see you there. Shane Ann Grico. Mamimit kita one time, Mirabella Elise. Sure. Hi, tomorrow is another rehearsal day. Lahat dadaanan, lahat ulit is secure. Puro bago yung mga steps, but that's life. Ding. Masaya talaga sa Sabado. I'm so excited. See you, Lexi. May pa-fly ka ba ngayong darating na birthday show? I wish I could, but abangan nyo yan kasi syempre yung mga ganyang bagay, nire-reserve natin yan sa mga bigger venue kung saan talaga makakalipad talaga tayo. Diba? Ganda ng song. As in, siya? Party talaga siya. Oh my God! Excited! Exciting! Hi, Dan Wright. Hello. Okay naman. Ito. I'm kinder. I'm calmer. I'm happier, I guess. Okay naman, Dan. Why? I mean, it's really good. I'm having the best time of my life. Happy ako. Everything is like slow but smooth. Diba? Hindi kailangan magmadali. The brand! So after this birthday show, ayan na yung susunod natin nga ayusin ang Brigading the Brand. Woo! Oh my God! Say yan, Brigading the Brand. Thank you, Dan. Ha! Connect sa jeep, yes. Hi, Lepatra. Ayan, oh. Wait, napakita ko yung... Ay. At may lyrics yan. Ay, wala pa lyrics. Wala pa lyrics. Brightest Star, Brigading, ding, 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 ding. Search nyo lang, Brightest Star, Brigading. Hi, Miss Aj. Thank you. Ang ganda ng cover art. Guys, please i-share nyo yung aking cover art. I-share natin ang magandang balita. Oh my God! Excited din ako sa birthday show ko talaga on Saturday. Diba? Enable repeat. Back in the rain. Watch this legendary gender bending ding 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 ding. Sensya na medyo madumi yung laptop ko ha. Tao lang. Haligi ng tahanan ng mothering. Beat it. Ring, ring, ring. Hi, Ivy. How are you? Happy birthday. Thank you, Apollo Reyes. Thank you. Thank you. Please keep on sharing. Oo nga eh. Hindi ko na yan. No? Also guys, oh my God, let me announce it here. Gusto ko sana sa Saturday, yung mga pupunta, wear anything sparkly. Dapat kumikinang yung buong rampa. Okay, dapat lahat sparkling, shining, shimmering, splending, glittering, shimmering, shining. Lahat ng outfit natin ha. Lahat kayo. Dapat ganun ang suot. Okay? Bawal ang naka-plain. Bawal ang muted. Bawal ang earth tones. Kailangan silver, gold, pink, red, glitters, ruffles. Diba? It's gonna be a fashion moment. Ang saya nun! Diba? Ayan, malaman nyo na. Tsaka dapat lahat may eyeshadow. Diba? Lahat may check eye, lahat may eyeshadow, dapat lahat naka-lipstick. Tapos lahat na lang pala naging drag queen, no? Uy, pero masaya yun, ha? Teen. Malaman niya mga eyeshadow ninyo, ha? Martha. Mikey. Gusto ko may mga eyeshadow kayo. As in, may mga rhinestones, whatever. Ipag ninyo yung mga makeup ko para maganda. Lahat. Teacher Kat, kailangan ha, naka-eyeshadow sa birthday ko. Kahit wala ng lashes. Kayo na bahala sa lashes kasi mahirap naman talaga mag-maintain ng lashes. Pagkatapos ng show, yung mga lashes ninyo nakaganon na. Oh, mga tabi-tabingi na. Yes! Dress code ha. Malaman niyo mga dress code ha. Silver, gold, shining, shimmering, splendid. Exciting! O, diba? Para picture-picture lahat. Ayun, simple lang ang birthday ko. Wish ko lang is good health, longer life for everyone. Peace of mind, happiness, diba? Contentment. Nice, thank you, Lord. Short notice, diba? Dapat ganon, surprise! Ang hindi naka-sparkling na outfit or hindi naka-shining outfit sa Saturday, hindi makakapasok. Nakakapasok lang sa second set. Hi, Moy! I miss you! Happy birthday to me! Thank you! Kalkalin nyo na yung mga baol ninyo, okay? Decadent cake. Oh my gosh, hindi na. Kasi super diet na ako eh. Like, I mean, tumatakas pa rin ako. Nagmi-meal plan na ako, pero tumatakas pa rin ako ng mga konting food na masarap pagka nasa mga events ako, ganyan. Or minsan hindi ko nakakain yung meal plan ko. Tumitikim-tikim lang ako ng cake, pero hindi ko na favorite ang decadent cake. Kailan ko ba nagustuhan yung decadent cake? Ah, sa ano yun? Sa Coco's Kitchen of Cakes and Coffee. Ang favorite cake ko na ngayon ay... Oh my God! Dark chocolate ng chocolate. Favorite ko yun. Pag yun ang cake, kakain ako, promise. Ano pa ba? Carrot cake din ng chocolate. Oh my God, it's so tamis! Pero wag na. Okay lang yun. But yeah, thank you. Part ba ng House of Ding si Jewel Sparkles? I mean, she's gorgeous. I like her. She's very talented. Ding, ding, ding. Kamag-anak ko siya. Ano siya? Anong tawag sa ganun? Yung kamag-anak sa ibang lugar. Wala po akong gustong regalo, dumating lang kayo, masaya na ako. Pero kung ipipilit ninyo, yung mga laging nawawala at laging nasisira kagad, power bank, charger, pocket speakers para kapag may mga rehearsals or mga lalabas, aalis, may pang papatugtog. Or hindi, totoong speakers na talaga. Tapos pag pocket, sira lang agad. Or ano to, GC Life, ganyan. Yung mga laging nawawala, di ba? I love flowers talaga. I love flowers. Actually, gusto ko yung buhay. Buhay na halaman. Aliw ako dyan. Gusto ko yan. Gawa tayo ng farm dito sa bahay or ng nursery dito sa bahay. Yung gold na dress. Or itong gold na dress. Gawin yan, mahaba yan sa'yo, Joey. Oh, happy birthday, Manuel JC. Kung ano mang gusto ninyong irigalo ninyo yan. Huwag kayong mahiya. Okay, huwag niyong bilhin yung gusto ko dahil gusto ko. Bilhin niyo yung gusto niyo dahil gusto niyo yan. Ah! Ay... I-perform niyo po ba to sa birthday show ninyo? Secret. Guys, it's out. Hi, Fran. Keep on shining, you deserve everything. It's my birthday. We gonna party like it's my birthday. Tapos yung birthday ko. Pero the celebration continues. Diba? The celebration is endless. Every day is your birthday because you're alive. May magre-restock ba ng Alight Stick mo? I'm not sure. Also, guys, on Saturday, meron ako mga bagong merch na magugustuhan niyo. It's cute. I love it. Thank you, Dale. Hi, exciting. Exciting time sa head. Nakikita akong tao sa paligid ko. Anyway, anyhow, I have to go. I'll see you all soon. Hi, Pawi. How's it? How's it? Yeah, I just returned it. I love you all, okay? So please, 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 stay safe. See you on Saturday for my birthday show. And stream my song, Brightest Star by Brigading on Spotify and all streaming platforms. And then please, i-share nyo po yan. Pakinggan ninyo. I-stream ninyo. Diba? Tag ninyo yung mga friends ninyo. Pagi ding, 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 ding. I love you all. Thank you. Bye.